Hello guys, welcome to my video. My name is Rohit, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up Linux on Virtualbox. So first we have to download Virtualbox. Let's go to Google, search Virtualbox, click on the first link, go to downloads, select Windows host. You can see the file is downloading. I just cancel because I have already downloaded the Virtualbox, and the installation process of Virtualbox is very simple. You just have to click next and the Virtualbox get installed. So I'll not gonna explain the installation process of Virtualbox. Then select the Linux, click on the linux.org link, go to the download, select the distribution. There are some 25 popular Linux distributions. I'll select Ubuntu. Go to the downloads. Here select the LTS 20.04 LTS, cause LTS means long-term service, which is going to support at least for 2 years. So click on the LTS. You can see the file is downloading. Again I am going to cancel because I already downloaded the ISO file. So our work is done. Here open the Virtualbox, so you can see this tab. Here we are going to set up Linux, so click on the new, type here your operating system name, that is Ubuntu 20.04. You can see here the type is Linux and the version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on next. Memory size, make it by default. Click on next. Here select the create a virtual hard disk now. Then create, select VDI, then go next. Here select the dynamically allocated, click on next. Here the file location and size, here by default is 10 GB, so I'm not gonna change it. You can change as per your convenience, and then create. So you can see here the Ubuntu is set up here. So first we have to change the settings. In basic there is no change. In advanced, make sure the clipboard as bidirectional, drag and drop also bidirectional. In systems, make it by default. Processor, you can increase it. I will make it as a 2. Acceleration, make it by default. In display, by default. In storage, you can see here the empty. Click on this, select this disk icon, select on choose a disk file, and you can see here the ISO file of Ubuntu. Click on this and open it. And the other setting, you can set it as by default or you can change it as per your convenience. I'm setting this as a by default. Click on OK. So we are going to run this Ubuntu. Here you can see this window. You just ignore these warnings. This process is very lengthy, so I'm going to skip this by pausing. So now you can see this window. Here two options are there: try Ubuntu and install Ubuntu. Here we are going to install Ubuntu, so click on this install Ubuntu. Select the keyboard layout. Here by default is US English. Click on continue. Here instead of these two, we have to select this last option also, that is install third-party software for graphics, and click on continue. So here you can see this first option and click on install now. Click on continue. So here you can see that they are asking where are you. Select your location. Click on continue. So give the name. I'm going to give the same name. The password. And click on continue. The installation process requires some time, so I will pause this recording. So now we have successfully installed the Linux. Click on restart now. Press enter. So now you will see this screen. Click on this, enter your password. So finally you see this interface. You can skip this, next, and done. So finally we have successfully installed the Linux on Virtualbox. So thank you for watching the video.